No-Hair Theorem is used in the field of black hole dynamics, and this theorem was first proposed by physicist John Wheeler. And according to him, means he wrote a phrase that black holes have no hair, and this theorem is popularly known as No-Hair Theorem. According to him and according to many physicists, any black hole can be described by only three properties, and those are mass of the black hole, electric charge of the black hole, and angular momentum or spin of the black hole. Both are same, angular momentum and spin. So mass of the black hole means mass contained in a black hole. The total mass contained in a black hole is the mass of the black hole, and it affects the curvature of the space-time around it. Next comes what? Next comes electric charge of the black hole. So the total electric charge of a black hole influences the electromagnetic field around it. Next comes, means third one, and this is the last one, angular momentum or spin. And this is related to rotation of the black hole, that is known to you, and this affects or influences the dragging of space-time around it. So these are the three things, these are the three parameters or properties by which any black hole can be described easily. Means description of the black hole becomes more manageable or becomes easily manageable if you use only these three properties. But if you want to study other parameters also, then No-Hair Theorem is not applicable. But in most of the cases for the study of black hole dynamics, only these three parameters are used. So No-Hair Theorem, you know that for this black hole is nothing but a massive object. That is known to you. And for the study of the massive object, Einstein's field equations are used. Means general theory of relativity is used. And the equations involved are known as Einstein's field equations. So what is the requirement? The requirement is to solve all those field equations of Einstein. And when electric charge is also involved in the calculation, then we need to use Maxwell's equations also. In case of electromagnetism, you know that Maxwell equations are there. So Einstein's field equations as well as Maxwell's equations are required to solve simultaneously for the accurate prediction of black holes. But if you use No-Hair Theorem, this simplifies the mathematical equations. But because of the presence of No-Hair Theorem, you can use only three properties: mass, electric charge, and angular momentum, and nothing else. If anything else is required, then in that case you cannot use No-Hair Theorem. And by using this theorem, No-Hair Theorem, the predictions becomes easier. And in most of the cases, the predictions and the observations by using telescopes, such as one telescope is there which is known as Event Horizon Telescope. The observation made by Event Horizon Telescope or the observatories like LIGO and Fargo. So observations made through those devices or those observatories and the predictions in most of the cases match with each other. But if you want to if you are interested to know other things about the black hole, then that will only be possible if you use No-Hair Theorem. In that case, that won't be possible. So No-Hair Theorem is nothing but mathematical simplification. Okay, but by using this, many things can be predicted at ease. You know, black hole mergers are there. Means this is a process when two black holes are merging with each other, and result is what? Result is a new black hole. So you know that when two black holes are merging with each other, means that is nothing but a collision process, and this is so complex. So without going into the details of the merging process, you can easily predict other things such as mass, angular momentum, and electric charge of the black hole just by using No-Hair theorem. Again, if you are interested to calculate the particles rotating around a black hole, then about those particles, the most of the things which are desired normally by the physicists can easily be calculated. Okay, so this is the reason why this No-Hair theorem is used by the physicists. Okay, and yesterday I posted a video on soft hair theorem. In both the theories, the term hair is involved. Okay, here today's lecture is on No-Hair theorem, and yesterday's lecture was on soft hair theorem. One more thing, by using No-Hair theorem, this gives rise to a paradox which is known as information paradox. Because if you use No-Hair theorem, only three properties are known, and other properties, means other than mass, angular momentum, and electric charge, all other properties are lost. All other information about the black hole is lost. Again, if any object is falling into a black hole, so information about that infalling object is also lost if you use No-Hair theorem. And if you are interested to know everything about the information, all the information, then in that case you have to go for, means you have to use in that case soft hair theorem. In that case, No-Hair theorem only possible to use. But using this No-Hair theorem, this gives rise to this information paradox. Anyway, so this was all about today's lecture, and the topic was, what topic was? No-Hair theorem and the black hole dynamics. Really, by using No-Hair theorem, black hole dynamics can easily be, black hole dynamics is easily manageable. Predictions of many things can be made easy by using this No-Hair theorem. Anyway, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.